What's up, divas and gents? It's your girl Nikki LaShawn, and you are tuned into my channel, Hey Nikki. And for today's video, I have a fabulous find for you. I got the idea to introduce a topic to my channel called Fabulous Finds. So whenever I come across anything that's interesting that I think you guys should go out and cop, I'm going to upload it on my channel and put it under that playlist called Fabulous Finds. So subscribe to my channel, turn on that bell so you get notifications, and let's get right on into it. So for today's Fabulous Find, I am going to be talking about these bottles right here. They come in a bunch of different colors. I got them from Dollar Tree, so I got 2 clear, 1 green, and 1 red. And the awesome thing about these bottles is that they actually come with a cork. So you can put things in it and then preserve it and put it in your fridge. I'm going to be using this for juicing. I've gotten into juicing, and I actually went out looking for something that I can put my juices in so I can preserve them until I'm ready to use them. And I came across these bottles, and they're so nice. And the nice thing about this is they look like they came out of Home Goods or something, because all the intricate like artwork and detail that are on these glass bottles. Who would have thought that they were in Dollar Tree? You can also put sand in it, rice. You can decorate it any kind of way you want. You can put flowers in here, of course, if you want to use it as a vase. But I'm going to be putting juices in here and preserving them with a little corkscrew and popping them into my fridge. I just think this is really, really cute. Another good use out of this is if you're a wine drinker like I am, shame on me. Actually, no shame. I'm over 21. We all know how hard it is to get that corkscrew back into the jar, or how sometimes challenging it may be to put your wine bottle in the refrigerator because it's so tall. You can pour your wine in here, use this corkscrew, top it off, and put it back into your fridge. So that's basically it for my fabulous find for today. I really like these. I got them out of Dollar Tree, so go copy 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later. Okay, so you guys are still here. You're definitely the real MVP. If you're interested in my hair, please check out my video below. And also check out my other video. Please subscribe, turn that notification on by clicking that bell, and I will see you soon. Ta-ta!